Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the pump and the three-way solenoid assembly. This one takes care of all the load of the machine whenever you start to brew or use water or use steam. This is the valve that needs to open and this takes the entire load of the machine. So we had to replace this one and we just replaced the water pump as this pure little pump was getting forced by this three-way valve as it was getting pushed. I was trying to push water through here and it was not happening and it was just getting forced. So we had to replace the two of them and right now the machine is been doing great. It hasn't leaked or done anything at all. That is the new water pump in there as well as the new three-way solenoid assembly of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. There you go. Now that it's pressurizing. You can see the pre-infusion going a little bit to the espresso range. I probably use a much more. I could probably use a much finer grind to increase that espresso range all the way to the ideal setting. We still got a good shot of espresso. You can see the crema, the color, looking amazing. Hot water for this machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one, working great, and the steam of this machine as well. Working perfectly, just let the machine heat up a bit. This thermal block that you see right here needs to heat up. And then once it heats up, the water pump that is okay right here, we push water through the entire thermal block. Then it will go back to the three-way. This one that I told you about, and it will open up. And this is where we will be getting the steam coming out from the machine. As the thermal block gets hotter and the water pump starts pumping more water into the thermal block, we get more steam. You can see right below, and right now it's at full pressure. You can see excellent steam coming out of the one. Working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna put this machine back how it was.